Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput, and today we will learn the topic ether, nomenclature and preparation methods. So ether are generally written in the form of ROR. ROR means two alkyl group directly connect with oxygen atom, and we know that in oxygen atom there are 6 electron valence electron. So out of these 6 electron, 2 are using, remaining 2 are 4 are present in 2 pair, in the form of 2 pair called lone pair of electron. So in ether there are 2 lone pair of electron and 2 alkyl group directly connected in the form of angular shape. This is angular shape. Here oxygen and it has 2 electron lone pair. So if we want to write name, there are 2 systems. In common name, general name, we use alkyl ether in alphabetic order. These 2 alkyl, suppose these 2 different alkyl, so we write their name in alphabetic sequence. But in IBC system, suppose this is small r, this is large r. So for small r, we use alk along with oxy. This oxy means oxygen. For oxygen of ether, we use oxy as a suffix of small alkyl group. For large alkyl group, we use in. Suppose this is large alkyl, so large alkyl we write alk and last in. Example: this is oxygen, this is CH3, this is CH3. If both are same alkyl group, we write simple di. CH3 is called methyl. Its name is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether is its general name, but in IBC name, this is for methyl we use meth along with oxygen. So this group become methoxy, and last we use methane. Methoxymethane. If there are 2 different types, suppose this is CH3, but here this CH2CH3 group is present. In this compound, this is ethyl, this is methyl, both connected with oxygen. So we write alphabetic. Ethyl, for it we write methyl, and last we use ether. This is methyl ether. This is shape, angular shape. This is less than 180. Depend on different type alkyl group. If we want to write IBC name, this oxygen joined with small alkyl group. The small alkyl group is CH3. We will write meth, oxygen, oxy, and here 2 carbon long chain. We use eth with in. This is called methoxyethane. If we want to write name of this compound, this is oxygen. Here CH3. Here benzene ring is present. Its special name is called anisole. If we want to write its name, then we can simply write methoxybenzene. Otherwise, alphabetic order methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether, methoxybenzene its 2 name. If this is anisole, special name. If there is benzene ring and along with oxygen there is C2H5, its special name is PHENETOL, phenetol. Phenetol is its special name, but if we want to write its name in IBC system, we use ethoxybenzene. Just like this. This is methoxybenzene, this is ethoxybenzene, ethyl. In common name, we can say this is ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. These are different types. We can learn with the help of this model. Listen. Suppose this is oxygen. On oxygen, these are 2 non-bonded pair, lone pair of electron present. If I am using CH3, this tetrahedral shape CH3 here CH3, and again we are using CH3. This is another CH3 we are using here. So actually this shape is called tetrahedral shape. In tetrahedral shape, these 2 CH3 group connected with yellow color this oxygen atom. So this group compound is called, what we can say, this is dimethyl ether. Otherwise we can also say this is methoxymethane. Dimethyl ether common name methoxymethane is IPCN. Another, listen, simple. If any compound, suppose this CH3 I am removing, and instead of CH3 I am joining this ring. This is benzene ring. So this compound is actually called methoxybenzene. Otherwise we can say this is phenyl methyl ether. If phenyl methyl ether. So another name, listen, if instead of this CH3 there are C2H5 means ethyl. So actually this compound special name is called anisole. If there is CH3, compound will become phenitol. Phenitol means phenyl along with ethyl alcohol. Now the case is, how can you prepare ethers? To prepare ether, I am writing a trick, otherwise simple method. There are 4 different simple methods by which we can prepare ether. Listen here. Here I am writing here simple RX and ROH. There are 2 basic material, alkyl halide and alcohol, by which we can prepare ether. So there are 2 methods for RX. Also there are 2 methods for alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. First method, RX. RX is alkyl halide. Simple. If we are treating 2 molecules of RX with this compound, actually this compound is called silver oxide. The valency of oxygen is 2. So we are writing Ag2O. This is silver oxide. And here this is bromoethane. This compound also bromoethane. We are using 2 bromoethane and we provide heat. After the reaction, these Ag2 with 2Br react this type and form 2AgBr. And what is happening here? CH3CH2. Here also CH3CH2. These 2 direct connect with oxygen and ether is formed. This compound is called diethyl ether. Otherwise we can say this is ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane is IPC name, but diethyl ether is common. So first method complete. If we treat 2 molecules of RX with silver oxide, on heating, what? Ether are formed. Next, RX, alkyl halide. The next second is very important reaction. The reaction second is Williamson synthesis reaction. The most important reaction is Williamson synthesis reaction. And for Williamson synthesis reaction, we are writing a simple trick. Rakesh 13 non. So Rakesh means we are using RX for R for R, X for X, and NOR stand for NaOR. This NaOR is called sodium alk oxide. Here, listen. This is sodium, this is alk, and last we use oxide. So sodium alk oxide. Suppose sodium CH3 methoxide, sodium ethoxide, sodium phenoxide. Okay. And this 13 means for better product, RX should be in case of primary and NaOR should be in case of tertiary. If we are using this type, we are taking this type categories of RX and L, the better product is formed. This example. Listen, this is CH3Br called bromomethane. In here, I am using this type. NaO with carbon. Here, 3 CH3 direct connected. This is called tertiary. Its name is sodium tertiary butoxide. This is sodium, this is tertiary butane, this is oxide. So if we heat these 2 compounds, the better product means NaBr will remove NaBr, and here this CH3 connected with oxygen. From oxygen there is tertiary. This is tertiary means 3 carbon connected with this carbon. So this is tertiary actually called butyl. So its name is, this is tertiary butyl, this is methyl, this is oxygen ether. So we can say this is tertiary butyl methyl ether. So two important thing, what? First, in RX you can't take aromatic compound, because in aromatic compound the bond between A aromatic ring and X is very strong this time. So these aromatic compound will not give Williamson synthesis reaction, but instead of this R you can use aromatic ring, because this bond is ionic bond, this bond can easily break. Sorry, this type bond, Na plus and minus bond. I am writing here. Suppose this is C2H5Cl and we are using NaO, this benzene ring. So this is ionic compound and this bond easily break, form NaCl, and after forming NaCl, this C2H5 means C2H5 connected with O and O is connected with ring. This compound is called what? Ethoxybenzene, otherwise this compound or special name is called phenatol. So this is the condition. But the case if we are not using this sequence 13, it means we are taking tertiary RX and primary NaOH, then what will happen? Then ether will not form and that reaction will not call Williamson. Listen, what I am saying, RX we are using tertiary and NaOH we are using primary. This time CH3 we are using 3 beta carbon and along with chlorine and bromine and NaOCH3. On heating this NaCl will remove, but this methoxy group use hydrogen from here and after the reaction form methyl alcohol from here. This is methyl, this is okay, methyl alcohol along with NaCl, and what will form this time? Here CH3, CH3. These two CH3 connected with carbon, this carbon will form CH2 with double bond, C double bond. So this compound is called isobutene, otherwise we can say this is 2-methyl propene, this is not ether. So, and this reaction is not called Williamson synthesis reaction. In Williamson synthesis reaction, for formation of better product we use primary RX and tertiary NaOH. So these are two methods by which we can prepare ether. First is RX react with Ag2O, silver oxide, and second RX react with NaOH. NaOH should be tertiary. Now the next is from alcohol. How can you prepare ether from alcohol? Listen. Alcohol you know better. Alcohol are ROH. ROH means ethyl, any alcohol. Listen. Alcohol can react with double bond. Also alcohol, we can heated alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid, concentrate. So this is third method. If alcohol, suppose this is CH3CHOH alcohol and I am writing here an alkene. Can you write name of this alkene? This alkene. This is called 1, 2, 3 carbon. This is actually called propene. So when this compound react with propene in presence of sulfuric acid, then according to Markovnikov rule, what is Markovnikov? Markovnikov rule says that this is partial polar compound, and from this polar compound the negative part from here to joint on that carbon on which number of hydrogen atoms are less, and this hydrogen joint here. After that, this product form, here CH3, here at last also CH3, but from this middle CH, the new this type system, water system, O CH2 CH3 will form. Here this is CH3 CH2, this O direct connect with middle oxygen, and this type, if these two carbon connect with oxygen, this is called ether. Can you write name of this compound? This is ether. What type ether? This is ethyl. This system is called isopropyl. according to alphabetic orders, you can say this is ethyl isopropyl ether. So the last is what happens when alcohol are heated in presence of sulfuric acid. Alcohol. Listen, alcohol. So CH3, this is alcohol, and I am using 2 molecules of alcohol, CH3CH2. These are 2 ethyl alcohol, and more important, we are using primary alcohol, and we are heating these alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid at the temperature 413 Kelvin. So this is the temperature. So it is simple. OH and this H remove in the form of water, and these two continuous react as a reactant, and here CH3CH3 CH2CH2 both react with oxygen. This is called diethyl ether. Ether is formed. Actually this reaction is called Williamson continuous etherification. Remember, the reaction of RX with NaOH, this reaction called Williamson synthesis. This is Williamson synthesis, but this reaction is called Williamson continuous etherification. Continuous etherification means in this reaction we appear there alcohol using continuous as a reactant and product ether form in continuous form. We appear in this type system, but actually it does not happen, because this water molecule which forms a side product, it dilutes the concentrated sulfuric acid. If concentrated sulfuric acid become dilute, reaction slowly become slow, and after the some time reaction does not happen. But 1, 2, 3 important things, important point we want to discuss here. What? Number 1, this alkyl group should be primary. In this reaction you can't use secondary or tertiary alcohol. Listen, if you are using this type N, this is tertiary alcohol. If you are using concentrated sulfuric acid and you are heating tertiary alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid, tertiary alcohol, then no ether will form. After the reaction, water will remove, this is dehydration, and OH, and from here L, this is tertiary alcohol. Water and this type system is formed, CH3, CH3, C, double bond CH2. Isobutene is formed. So look here, in Williamson continuous etherification we use only primary alcohol, neither secondary nor tertiary. Second important thing, first we use only primary. Second thing is that if you want to prepare this type asymmetric ether, this is asymmetric ether, means here ethyl, here methyl and ethyl. This is called mixed ether. If we want to prepare mixed ether, and to prepare this ether, if you are using this size system, one molecule of methyl alcohol and another molecule of ethyl alcohol, if we are using this H and OH remove and this mixed ether, means ethyl methyl ether is formed, then it is not correct. Because if you are using methyl and ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then in a container, suppose in a container I am using so many molecules of ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol, we are mixed. These methyl alcohol react with ethyl alcohol and form this ether. But sometimes methyl alcohol can also react with another methyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol also react with another ethyl alcohol. So the mixture of each form means methyl alcohol react with methyl alcohol along with this compound, this type system. This is called dimethyl ether, and ethyl alcohol react with self ethyl alcohol. After the reaction, ethyl alcohol, so mixture of these three means dimethyl alcohol, diethyl alcohol, ethyl methyl alcohol. Mixture of these three are formed. So this is impure method. So for prepare symmetric ether, we use only same type primary alcohol, same type, no mixture. And one third important information. First, what was first? First was alcohol should be primary. Second, we can't use here mixture of two different type alcohols. We use only same category of alcohol. And third most important third is temperature. If we are using alcohol, primary alcohol, this is primary alcohol, this is same type alcohol, only ethyl alcohol molecule, and we are using concentrated sulfuric acid. But third important thing, we are increasing the temperature and we heat this compound on 443 Kelvin. If we increase the temperature, this temperature otherwise more than this temperature, then a reaction that is called beta elimination takes place. In beta elimination, OH from alpha and hydrogen from beta, water molecule will remove. This is also called dehydration of alcohol. But after reaction, instead of this product, this alkene is formed. All the conditions are same. Sulfuric acid, concentrate. This is primary category, same, but product is different on the high temperature. So these three are important information. This is called beta elimination reaction. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.